Hi, name is Rick Cerrone. I'm a real car enthusiast. I was very intrigued with the Ford GT many years ago, and I always wanted to buy one, and then I found this particular one and wound up buying it, and basically just bought it for investment purposes because I knew the car was going to appreciate like crazy.
So where exactly did you hear about this car being like a potential investment purpose?
Just other fellow enthusiasts that have Ford GTs, and they said you should definitely get one, keep it in your garage, and pack it away. It's like money in the bank, and that's basically what it was. So it was owned by someone, a collector in California was the original owner, and he just kept it in his garage as a showpiece.
For such a spectacular car, the Ford GT, why keep it in the garage for, how long did you say it was in the garage?
15 years.
15 years.
15 years.
Yeah, was there any sort of temptation to drive it?
Yes, a lot of temptation, but I have other sports cars that kept me busy.
And then some of the specs on here, what do we got on this particular Ford GT?
So one of the options is silver calipers. The rims are an option. Striped Elite is an option. And the stereo system.
Now, to the potential new owner of this wonderful Ford GT, what would be some advice that you would give to them on this spectacular car?
Well, luckily, the new owner has the same exact car. So I'm very happy to give this car to him.
Slowly back away from the vehicle.
Slowly back away. I can't do anything more with this wall, but I think we're from a safe distance.
Just don't even look at it. No, but alright, next step is actually we're gonna tire straps around the front. Actually, yeah, front and rear, but we're gonna do one and one right now so we can pull out of here, give them a little bit more room to do what they need to do, and we'll be good to go.
Alright.
Alright, just got done picking up the Ford GT, strapping it down. Let's get on home.
So, after a wonderful long journey to New York and meeting Rick, we finally brought home a one-of-a-kind Ford GT. The rarity of this Ford GT speaks for itself, especially the fact that it has only 32.8 miles on the odometer. Along with that, it is an original striped elite car with factory BBS wheels, silver brake calipers, and the Macintosh audio sound system. With all of this combined and all of the original documentation, this makes for a specially rare collector item. There's possibly no other car that has graced its presence here at No Reserve Classics with such a rarity.